Throughout 2022, the Federal Reserve hiked its benchmark interest rate at a record pace to slow the economy and fight high inflation. As the most interest rate sensitive sector of the economy, the housing market took a major hit. So what's in store for the housing market this year?
We're going to address that by answering these three questions. Where will home prices go? What can buyers expect with the mortgage rates? When it will be a good time to buy in 2023? But first, let's get into it. Let's see exactly how the housing market did, what happened in Queens last year in 2022.
And we are back with another market update for December 2022 for Queens. So looking at the most recent data from OneKey MLS for residential condos and co-ops, we had a total of about 4,600 listings on the market. We had 740 new listings, which is down 14% from the same time last year. We had 582 pending, which is down 39% from the same time last year. And we had 641 closings, which is also 39% down from the same time last year.
On average, these homes, they were on the market for about 90 days. For single and multifamilies, the median list price was $979. That's 9% higher from the same month a year ago. A median sold price at $930,000. That's 6% higher from just a year ago. Interestingly, for condos and co-ops, the median list price at $350 was actually 7% lower than from a year ago. So the median sold price for condos and co-ops was at $335,000. That's 7% lower than from a year ago. Looking at the last quarter of 2022 in Queens, the home prices increased for the 8th consecutive quarter in a row.
So to put that into perspective, home prices nearly rose 40% from the spring of 2020 to the spring of 2022. That's literally a decade of price gains in just a few years. So John, where do you see home prices going?
The NAR, which is the National Association of Realtors, they're projecting the home prices to increase by only 1%. So that's all really depending on your specific area. Because every area is a little different, there's a different supply and demand. So some areas we actually already see home prices decreasing, and in some areas we see a tremendous appreciation. If you would like to get more information on your area specifically, comment below or DM us and we'll get you the info as well. So Josh, what buyers can expect when it comes to interest rates this year?
I love that question. Recently, we've been seeing interest rates around 7%, right? So what most buyers don't know is that the interest rates came down to about 5 to 6%. As a matter of fact, I'm working on a deal right now where we were able to get the buyer a 5.5% interest rate. We even have access to many loan programs where we can get you as low as 4% if you guys qualify. So if you want to get more information on this, let us know down below and we'd love to help you guys out.
So when it will be a good time to buy in 2023? That's a really specific question to you. And it all depends on your life situations, why you're moving, what are some of the benefits you make in the move, and also financial situation, right? Does it really make sense for you to move?
So buyers are most likely going to pay more in the spring selling season because there's much more demand and a lot more competition. And potential buyers who are waiting for home prices to drop may be left holding their breath in 2023.
I know there's still a lot of fear in the market. We do see the affordability drop down. We also see a lot more buyers actually jumping back in as the interest rate went down. Will the rates go back up? There's so many moving factors. We just don't know. What we see now, that there's a healthy market. So if you're looking to buy, maybe you're renting or maybe you're relocating, maybe you're looking for that bigger place, right? And it just makes sense financially. Don't wait, because you just don't know what's going to happen. The prices can go up, the interest rate can go up, right? Anything can happen. So if you can buy now, buy. For sellers, we are still in uncharted waters. We just don't know if we're out of the inflation, right? There's still a lot going on. So if you're looking to sell a property and make the move, maybe downsize, maybe get rid of the investment, maybe reinvest money somewhere else, let's relook at the numbers. If the numbers make sense for you to get it sold and make the move, let's talk and let's make it happen. So if you guys would like to get more information, whether it's a good time to buy or sell, it's going to be completely depending on you, and it's going to be depending on your specific situation. We would love to analyze the situation to get you the answers to your questions.
So we hope you guys found this update helpful. If you have any questions or want to know more, leave us a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you guys on the next one.